This video presents the transformation of the main application control to an user control. I realized that, since I started to copy code from one place and merge them to create the control shown for audit feature, then I might use that to remove code from the main application in order to create a new user control that is more similar to SSMS look like. So now I am in the process of fixing all the things that are obsolete or are not working since they are pointing to variables declared in the main application. You will see how I use the code used to add or rename tab items with toggle buttons of a toolbar. My plans with this control is to use the code I have for Save Project feature, presented long time ago as a proof of concept, to save an application close all these queries we are opening against some instances. I am doing this because as we speak, the application doesn't provide a way to reload a state of the application for some of its controls or features as it was when the application was successfully manually closed. This comes also as a result of seeing that many of our application DBAs from the client side are using DbVisualizer along with SQL Server Management Studio while performing their duties. Seeing that and thinking the places where something similar might fit best in this application lead to choosing Discover and Query Control, since it was already providing some searching feature and a tree view display with possible expandable nodes. This user control was the next logical choice because it would be easier for me to add other types of scripts for execution and places where I can provide user to choose a connection string, especially for other database engines like MySQL or Oracle. Also, if you remember, the SQL Server Provider control, which is part of the main application, can be used in this interface to have access to those scripts. Maybe calling btools contlets targeting specific instance or database or other nested object will be easier when you have the data represented hierarchical, and selecting a login in this hierarchical display gives you access to all the needed info like instance name, database name, and so on. More value for this control will be added as time passes.